Hello and welcome back to another hacking video. I'm Ed. This video, I want to quickly take you through how to validate credentials that you've obtained if you're on an engagement or you're writing an exam, etc. So in this scenario, I have accessed user one and I found user one's password. And now I want to check that I can access SMB. Now, obviously, if other services, FTP, WinRM, and all that is open, it should validate against that as well. So I'm using the old tool. I love this tool, even though it's not maintained, it still works wonderfully. And you basically specify what protocol you want to use, you want to call it that, and then the IP, the user, the password, and I just continued on success. And this is just to validate, yes, are the credentials working? Before you jump into Metasploit now and you want to go to peers exec and kick off and get, a reverse shell with NT system authority, etc. So the command is pretty straightforward. If we push enter, you'll see that it comes back successfully that we've pawned. This is the server name. That's the port. And then there's our IP. And you can see the over here is the domain. So tlab.local. What I was explaining about different protocols is WinRM isn't open on that box. It's not listening. Oh, it is. Okay, interesting. So you can see that SMB and then WinRM. Now, obviously, you can use evil WinRM in one of my other videos that I've done, where we can use the same credentials, we can connect, we get a session, and we can carry on with our hacking that way. So if you want to validate something, you can use this. Let's try FTP. I don't think it'll work this time. Not sure. Let's see. No. So just something for you to use. You want to quickly run a validation, try this before you deep dive and configure R hosts and all that. It's up to you. This works for me to validate it first before I go any further. If the credentials obviously didn't work, then next step is to try the next set of credentials if you have them. So just a short video. I wanted to show you how to validate using an older tool that still works, even though it's not maintained. It can still give you the answers that you're looking for. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.